Okay, this is one of them gardening situations when you get a new person and you've never been here before and you end up in a place like this. You're going up a driveway that you don't know what the hell's at the end of. So if you had any sense, you'd probably bring a gun with you, but I don't have any sense, so I'll just go up here and see what they're like. But hopefully they don't have a gun. By the way, I'm going to do a good job, so I won't have to worry about that. But I tell you what, you need a four-wheel drive to get up here. She's one hell of a road. They never tell you this on the bloody contract form. But anyway, bit of an adventure. Hopefully it's not my last adventure. But yeah, the life of a gardener, I end up in all sorts of places. This is a bloody bad road, actually. That's a bit of an understatement. Hopefully I'm on the right.
Take the next right.
Take the next right, okay. I'm using GPS, she's working. I don't even know if there's a house up here. Oh, for God's sake. Oh, it looks like a nice house, actually. Definitely tucked away, and hopefully they don't want me to cut trees down because there's too many. 9, 8, 10, yeah, Jesus, crikey mold. And up on all sorts of places.
In 300 metres, your destination will be on the right.
300 metres, destination on the right. Oh my God. So I'm assuming that's not it then? Yeah. I don't know how long these people have been living out here. Anyway, this could be the last film I ever make. I could be dead after this, so we'll see. This is one hell of a journey up in here. It says private, surveillance cameras in use. Yeah. Hopefully they're not hiding anything. Like booby traps. Oh, this is insane. This is almost, yeah. What the friggin' hell am I coming up here for? I'm starting to doubt this. There's not even a house up here. Oh yes there is, there's one. There's turkeys. This is insane. This is insane.
Your destination is on the right.
Oh my God. That's the house. This is insane. It's got a ride on mower. There's no lawn. What am I going to do here? Can't say I'm happy about it. Just doesn't look like sort of right under the mountain. It's like a freaking mountain's going to fall on. Look at that. That's the mountain up there. That's Mount Roller. Up above the house. Anyway, I'm here now. Probably end up cutting firewood by the temperature. It's freaking cold and I haven't ever gone outside. Oh well, I'll park here and see what's going on. Well, just following on from there and yeah, I'm in the wrong house. So I've gone straight past it. So yeah, I could have quite easily been shot and wandering around in the wrong house. That's what happens when you get these new clients right out in the middle of nowhere. Anyway, I'm switching off. I'm still alive, just sort of let you know. Okay, so down along the hedge, I'm going to get that bulk off there, which is oh well. See what I can do. Put this over here somewhere. Yeah, just got that off the gutter there. That's through there. Okay, just have a look out there. That's where I am. Now, I'm just trying to work out how to get out. Been to some iffy places, like pretty much out in the middle of nowhere, and I'm at one of them right now. And yeah, it was hard work actually. I had to get the bloody hedge off the friggin' top of this big archway thing. And I mean, to be honest, I think the man there will be the only one who ever sees it in the entire time it's there, because wherever I am is definitely off the charts. I mean, a lot of people would like to live here. You know, it's pretty, what would you call it, out in the middle of nowhere. This is the main road, which I came up. There's the main gate, which is pointless because you can just walk on the other side of it. There's a gate there, but you can just walk straight round it. I suppose it would stop traffic coming up here, but who would? Yeah, so yeah, she's definitely off the charts. I'll just try and get this focused in. It's pretty hard. There you go. Bit of focus, doesn't hurt. And oh my god, and I'm in full drive. She's going out of focus. I'll just go to the side of it like that. I think the windscreen reflection gets it. But yeah, he's about 200 metres up the hill, and this road right here is what I had to come up. So if anyone got sent out here, they didn't have a four-wheel drive, they'd be stuck here, probably for eternity. But yeah, it's nice being out in the bush. He's an artist actually, that man. He's doing all sculptures, so it's very interesting. You never know what you're going to expect. I feel sorry for females who come out to places like this to do work as a carer. I don't think it's safe, because you just don't know what you're going to get. I mean, I could have been killed back there and no one would know, except for me, the fact that I didn't go home. But I very much doubt that any female should go to any place like this. Because I mean, if you attack me, I've always got me whippersnippers and rocks. I can pick up rocks and throw them. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you this. This is the sort of thing you can get yourself into. You see in the dress, but you don't really know what sort of thing you're going to get yourself into. I might as well just go filming the last little bit. Here we go, nearly down. It's actually about 300 or 400 metres halfway up that hill. It's right under the mountain. It almost looks like the mountain could fall on your head actually. And it's cold. It's only 5 o'clock, and it is like minus degrees. I suppose it's just because I don't even know if the sun's out. You can't see through the trees. That's a problem. Here we are. There's a road. I'm out. I'm alive. And I'm garden cam man. Now hit that like button. So I'll get to it.